For this activity, you're going to investigate the question, how does the amount of particles in a material affect how much the temperature changes when it is heated? So the material that we're going to use is sand, and I have 3 separate containers here that have different amounts of sand. This container has a quarter full amount of sand, this container is half full, and this container is full. So you should have written a hypothesis by now, and after going through this video, you should be able to identify what our MV is, what the RV is, and what one controlled variable is for this experiment, and you'll fill out the table. So I'm going to start with a quarter full, and also I'm going to shake each container for 2 minutes. So I'm going to start with my quarter full container, and when I put my thermometer in there, my quarter full container of sand is at 23 degrees Celsius. So that's my starting temperature. So then I'm going to cap the sand and I'm going to shake it really hard for 2 minutes. So I'm actually not going to make you watch this video for 2 minutes of me shaking. So I'm going to pause the video and then I'll start it up again after the 2 minutes is up. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. So I'm going to take the cap off. I'm going to put my thermometer in there, and my sand is at 30 degrees Celsius. So that's what you'll write for the ending temperature, and then you'll calculate the temperature difference. Okay, so now we're going to do the sand that is half full, or the container that is half full. So I need to let my thermometer calibrate. Just a sec, still going down. And my half full container of sand is starting out at 23 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that's the starting temp. Same thing, I'm going to cap my sand. I'm going to shake it for 2 minutes, and I'm going to pause the video until the 2 minutes is up. All right, here we go. Let's see what the half full container of sand is. So half full is at 27 degrees. Okay, 27 degrees. So you'll calculate the temperature difference there. And then finally, we'll do full. So again, I have to get my temperature down. (23 degrees Celsius). It makes sense that they are all starting at the same temperature since everything is at room temperature. So that makes sense. All right, so cap it, shake it. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this is at. And this sand is at 25 degrees Celsius. So now that you've calculated the temperature difference between quarter, half, and full, you'll use the data to answer the rest of the questions on the activity sheet. And you're also going to think about how these containers would apply to solids, liquids, and gases.